Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're going to jump right into the Elsie Radiant Primer all over my face and using the MAC Prep and Prime stick just on my nose for my pores. For my brows, I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow Pencil in the number 4.5 by Benefit. And to carve out the brows, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with a MAC 242 brush. To set my brows, I'm going to be using the Brow Styling Soap by Becky Sue, and I'm going to wet it first with the Fix Plus by MAC, and that will activate the soap, and I'm using a disposable spoolie. For my eyeshadow primer today, I'm going to be using the P. Louise Base in number 2. I love this primer because it gives me a very clean canvas to work with, especially if you are using pretty vibrant colors. It keeps the vibrancy. The eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using today is the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and starting off with the eyeshadow color called Virgin all over that base. The next color we're going to be using is FUCK with a pencil brush just to create the cut crease. I did not want to read that word just in case there are some younger viewers. After using the pencil brush, I grabbed a small blending brush just to break up any harsh lines. The next color I'm going to be using is called Gumdrop, and I'm going to be using that and connecting it right into the color FUCK. Again, after using that pencil brush, you want to pick up your small fluffy brush to blend out that second color. Next, I'm going to be connecting Gumdrop with the color Cute right on the end and winging it out a little bit. I'm wanting a little more of a dramatic blown out look, so I'm actually extending the tail of this past my eyebrows. Here I picked up a little bit more of the color Gumdrop, and I actually extended it a little bit higher using my fluffy brush and blending it up. To create the cut crease, I'm just grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to be using Jawbreaker just to apply on the cut crease about halfway, and then I'm going to jump into Virgin again and blend those two colors together. I didn't want to use Jawbreaker on the entire lid. I just wanted to use it at the beginning because it was a little bit gold, so I didn't want to extend the gold all the way out. I really wanted my inner corner highlight to pop, so I used this heavy metal glitter that comes in a tube from Urban Decay. To curl my lashes, I'm using this half curler that I actually purchased on Amazon recently. It's okay. I like my MAC one a lot better. I'm going to be using Lily Lashes in San Diego, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Roller Lash just to coat my real lashes so they blend a lot better. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation, and for maximum coverage, I'm going to be applying it with a fluffy brush, and then I'm going to finish it off with my microfiber beauty sponge. For concealer, we're jumping back into the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to be blending that out with the microfiber beauty sponge. And for my baking powder today, I'm going to be using the Coty Air Spun and applying that with the Tati Beauty Powder Puff. I like to use this powder puff with this specific powder all over because it really helps with any creasing throughout the day. I'm a little bit on the drier side, so I only leave my bake on for a small amount of time, and then I grab a big fluffy brush and just dust it all off. Grabbing a smaller tapered fluffy brush, I'm going to be bronzing my skin with the Rich Amber Bronzer by Anastasia. I'm going to clean up that contour a little bit with the same airspun powder and my beauty blender. I'm grabbing the Jaclyn Hill Illuminating Powder in Brighten Up just to kind of give a little bit more of a glow to my skin. For my nose contour, I'm just jumping back in with the bronzer that I used earlier by Anastasia. Picking up the Too Faced Sugar Peach palette, I'm going to be using Sugar Peach as my blush. For lip liner today, we're going to go in with the tried and true MAC Whirl Lip Liner. And for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Staunch. And to top it off, I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb in Fussy. For my highlighter today, I'm going to be using the Loose Highlighter by Jaclyn Hill in Extra. Very little of this goes a long way, so what I like to do is I like to place it in the areas that I really want my highlight to glow, and then after that, I'll wipe the brush off on a towel, and then I'll go ahead and blend. And to seal the deal, I'm going to be using Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. And here is the finished look. I really hope all of you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.